Good morning. Today is August 16th, 2013, and this is the week in review. As I'm sure you all know, the drill with regarding the weather. So enough said with that. If this continues, I will start giving weather updates in September. So hopefully in September you'll start getting some weather updates. This week we've continued trimming and treating for broadleaf weeds in the native areas. As I mentioned in previous posts, we are going to renovate and reseed some of these areas, starting with green and tea surround areas of natives, and that's going to begin around the fourth week in September. That's going to follow aerification. And aerification is just around the corner. We are going to start with the roughs and the green and tea surrounds on August 27th. We start that early for the tall fescues because it takes longer for those seeds to germinate and to take hold. We like to give those guys a head start out there. So that's why we're going to start on the 27th. We will start with fairway surrounds and rough, and then green and tea surrounds, and we will do those in a manner that will be as least disruptive to you all out on the golf course as possible. So we will, as we move into some areas, if we have areas of rough that need to be seeded more so than others, we may restrict cart traffic, on those holes, but I will let you all know, and we'll keep the pro shop informed so everybody can be informed on what's going on there, so we can give those seedlings a fighting chance here this fall. We are going to continue to add tall fescue to the rough. That is our turf of choice. We want to rid ourselves as much as possible of the poana, the annual bluegrass that is out there. And the good news is that any of the turf that was lost in the rough this summer was annual bluegrass. It did not like the wet, warm temperatures of July, as many other areas didn't like it either, but it particularly didn't like it. And we're pretty happy that Mother Nature helped us out with taking out some of those species so that we can replace them with stronger varieties of tall fescue. This week, today, in fact, we found an irrigation leak of an 8-inch main line in between number 9 white and 1 white. We have some parts ordered. This should take a couple days because it's an 8-inch line, and that size piping doesn't usually get stocked very regularly, nor does it break very regularly. So we hope to have that repaired by Monday or Tuesday at the latest. Shouldn't be an issue going forward with irrigation for the next couple days. We should be fine there. But you will see the area roped off to cart traffic because it is extremely wet over there. So just be mindful as you're out there playing. If you see those ropes, that's exactly what that is for. So that's all I have for now. So until next week, enjoy the golf course, and thank you for supporting the blog and passing it on to your fellow members. Have a great weekend.